Seeing your dog lose hair can be concerning, as it often points to an underlying problem rather than normal shedding. Hair loss in dogs may be linked to health, skin, or environmental problems that need attention. Thankfully, here are some simple ways to identify the common causes of your dog's hair loss and fix them before they turn into more serious problems. Dogs can lose hair for several reasons, but a common one is allergies. Dogs might react to certain foods, such as beef, chicken, or grains. These allergies can cause itching and hair loss, especially on the different body parts of your dog. Skin infections can also make dogs lose hair. Fungal infections like ringworm cause circular bald spots and scaly skin. Bacterial infections can happen from scratching, allergies, or wounds and may need antibiotics. These infections can be itchy and uncomfortable for your dog. Stress and poor nutrition can also cause hair loss in dogs. Anxiety or changes in their environment can lead to shedding. A diet missing important nutrients like protein and fatty acids can make their fur thin and weak. Shampoo for dog hair regrowth helps clean the skin and fur by removing dirt, oils, and allergens. It soothes itching and irritation, keeping your dog comfortable. Regular use also supports healthy skin, reduces shedding, and makes the fur look shiny and smooth. Bacterial infection treatments help heal the skin, stop hair loss, and restore healthy fur quickly. Before using any solution, shake it very well. Then, check where your dog is losing hair. If it is due to a bacterial infection, apply the solution directly to your dog's body. Saturate the area thoroughly and gently rub it in so the solution is absorbed and can work effectively. Repeat as directed and monitor your dog's progress for best results. Good nutrition plays a key role in dog hair regrowth. A diet rich in high-quality proteins, vitamins, and minerals helps your dog grow stronger, healthier, and shinier fur. Proper hydration and balanced meals also support overall skin health, reducing hair loss and encouraging new hair growth. Allergy Relief Chews helps reduce itching and redness in dogs while soothing irritated skin and preventing excessive scratching. It can improve hair health and reduce hair loss caused by allergic reactions. Using Allergy Relief Chews regularly keeps your dog comfortable and supports a healthy, shiny coat. A stress-free environment helps reduce hair loss in dogs by lowering anxiety and preventing excessive scratching or licking. Calm surroundings support better overall health and improve coat condition. When dogs are relaxed, they are more likely to grow a healthy, shiny coat. Understanding the common causes of hair loss and their fixes can help keep your dog healthy, comfortable, and maintain a shiny, full coat.